Ready to test your English skills with some fun and tricky grammar questions? Let's see how many you can get right. Before we go, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and don't forget to comment your total score at the end. Let's jump into it. She blanked to the gym every morning. The correct answer is goes. We blanked to the beach last weekend. The correct answer is went. I could blank one if I'd practiced. The correct answer is have. This coffee isn't blank. The correct answer is mine. This coffee isn't mine. He's blank a new video game. The correct answer is playing. TikTok trends change blank lightning speed. The correct answer is at. We need blank milk. Can you buy some? The correct answer is no article, just say we need milk. The song blank streamed 1 million times last week. The correct answer is was. The song was streamed last week. He's allergic blank cats. The correct answer is to. They blank Netflix all weekend. The correct answer is watched. They watched Netflix all weekend. Blank you free tomorrow? The correct answer is are. Are you free tomorrow? He blank his phone while charging. The correct answer is using. I wish I blank more time to relax. The correct answer is had. I wish I had more time. The Wi-Fi isn't working. Blank yours? The correct answer is. She's the girl blank helped me yesterday. The correct answer is who, the girl who helped me. Let's meet blank 7 p.m. The correct answer is at. Let's meet at 7 p.m. I blank my coffee black, please. The correct answer is prefer. They're excited blank the concert. The The correct answer is about. The package blank delivered yesterday. The correct answer is was. He's blank to fix the laptop himself. The correct answer is trying. He's trying to fix it. She's taller blank her brother. The correct answer is then. I can't find blank headphones. The correct answer is mine. We've blank seen that movie twice. The correct answer is already. The kids are playing blank the park. The correct answer is in, playing in the park. She blank yoga every evening. The correct answer is does. She does yoga every evening. This is blank interesting podcast. The correct answer is in. He blank to work if it rains. The correct answer is will drive. He will drive if it rains. They're planning blank a road trip. The correct answer is on. I blank my wallet. Can you help me find it? The correct answer is lost. I lost my wallet. She's allergic blank peanuts. The correct answer is 2. The meeting starts blank 10 minutes. The correct answer is in, starts in 10 minutes. He's blank to call you later. The correct answer is going. I need blank apples for the recipe. The correct answer is many. I need many apples. They blank the bus to school every day. The correct answer is take. The store closes blank 9 p.m. The correct answer is at. I blank my phone charger at home. The correct answer is forgot. She's blank her homework right now. The correct answer is doing. She's doing her homework. She forgot blank keys at home. The correct answer is her. I'll text you blank I reached the cafe. The correct answer is when. I'll text you when I reach. This is blank best pizza ever. The correct answer is it's the best pizza ever. How many did you get right? Comment your score below, we'd love to know. If you enjoyed this quiz, hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more fun and brain-boosting challenges every week. See you in the next one.